Pin Facebook app to taskbar. To install the Facebook app, click the Start button, search for Microsoft Store, and open the app. Use the search bar to find Facebook, click on it, and then select Install button to download and install it. The procedure remains the same for all applications. After installation, go back to the Start menu, search for the app, right-click its icon and choose Pin to Taskbar for quick access. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop the app over Taskbar. You can also discover links in the description that will take you to our other tutorials on how to add the Facebook website to your taskbar via the browser. Please like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel. You can master your Windows PC and browsers by checking out my other tutorials. Thank you for watching.